So hello friends, this is Jaya from Motowear. So we are happy to see you in another video. Today we are going to see about a detailed review of Airmaster jacket, which comes in two price variant 49 and 59. So watch this full video to know what all the details like what materials we have used, what armors we have used. So let's move into the video. So friends, this Airmaster jacket comes with 7 variations of color. So initially with black orange, black green, black white, like that we have 7 variety of colors. And next we are going to see about what materials we have used in this jacket. So for example, if you say this Kodura has been a 600D Kodura for high abrasion resistance and a 1000D mesh for maximum air ventilation, and we have provided the zip, all the zip and runners are YKK only. So we have used everything with the branded condition because for the durability of the jacket. And next we are going to see about what armors we are equipped with the jacket. So the shoulder and elbow comes with a level 2 armor and spine and chest with a level 1 armor. So this point you might have a question, so whether we can upgrade the spine and chest to level 2. So I'll come to this point at the last minute of this video. Okay, so next we are going to see about what provisions like pockets we have attached to the jacket. So this jacket comes with 2 external pockets and 1 internal safe waterproof pocket is this, and there is a waterproof pocket on the internal liner also. So next we can detach the liner. So this liner can be detached. This is a rain and thermal combined liner. So this liner we can detach and use it as a fully airproof jacket also. So during summer times you can detach these liners and you can use this for maximum air ventilation. So at the time of monsoon and winter you can attach the liners, and if the jacket is fully drenched also, you no need to worry about the materials or whether it will cause any damage to the material. Nothing will cause any damage. Okay, so even the jacket won't get weight also. You can drive in the heavy rain also, you can drive the vehicle like that. So next we are going to see whether we can upgrade the armors. As I said earlier, we can upgrade the spine and chest level 2 armor with the additional cost of just 2500. Okay, this jacket comes in 2 variants, with hump and another one is without hump. So with hump cost around 5900. So this is a with hump jacket, so which comes with a hump over here. So this is the additional protection for neck as well as your spine. Okay, so without hump jacket cost 4900. So this is a without hump jacket which comes with a hydration bag provision as well. Okay, so the next point, whether we can customize this, bro. So I can hear that. So we can customize this jacket with any colors like you want. For example, you might like this jacket but you want a yellow color instead of this gray color, so we can customize this. And also we can write your name or your team name or your riding group name, anything on the jacket. So the names will be coming on either on the chest part or on the sleeves or on the back side of the jacket. So next, coming to the washing and carrying method, you can remove the liners. Okay, so you can remove the liners and you should do hand wash only. Okay, you shouldn't use a washing machine or anything. So once you have finished your washing, you have to dry it in a sunshade or under the roof. Okay, so otherwise, simple thing, you can just dry it under the fan in a room temperature. So this will make your jacket for a lifetime. You can use it for a lifetime. Okay, so the finally comes to the warranty part. So we have, from our side, we are providing a lifetime warranty for this jacket. So the lifetime warranty comes for the stitches and zip of the jacket. Okay, so then come so for example, if you are falling and if the material gets torn, means will be costing for the material alone and the service will be at free of cost. So if you have any doubts or clarity, so you can directly ping us or you can do an Instagram direct us or you can even call us. Okay, so we will clarify all your doubts. So thank you and see you in next video. Bye from